I'm Dr. R. Devi. In this video, let us see the chapter in Unit 5 Human Resource Audit from the paper titled Human Resource Management. Topics covered in this video are Human Resource Audit, meaning, scope of Human Resource Audit, and purpose of Human Resource Audit. First, let us see the introduction part. First, you should know what is an human resource audit. It is an objective examination of your business's HR policies, practices, and procedure. The goal is to look for trouble spots and or identify ways you can improve. You can hire an outside company to perform the audit, or you can instruct your HR department to perform an internal audit. An audit helps an organization to assess its current position and also helps to estimate what needs to be achieved to improve the HR function. Next, let me explain meaning of human resource audit. The audit helps to check whether the company complies with the legal requirements and regulations regarding employees, which is laid down by the government of the country. It could also determine the company's strengths and weaknesses in the area of human resource management and can plan accordingly to improve its processes and procedures related to the human resource function. Next, let me see scope of human resource audits. Human resource audit should cover all aspects of the function of human resource department. It can be focused on 5 main areas, which are manpower planning, organizing the manpower resource, staffing, motivating the personnel, and controlling. In planning manpower requirements, audit can be made by the effectiveness of past forecasting and scheduling to ascertain how the needs were identified in time. Next, purpose of human resource audit. It clarified desired practices of human resource function and roles within the organization. It can also pinpoint the strengths and weaknesses related to HR areas and skills. It is also establish a base for future improvement. To evaluate current effectiveness of the planning or policies or any programs which is practices in the organization, and it also help to develop the human resource programs, and also it assess current knowledge and skills required of human resource practitioners. With this explanation, human resource audit meaning, scope, and purpose has been covered. Thank you.